Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you meet the prerequisites: account type, regional availability, and accepted early access terms. Once done, make sure to back up your current data, export settings, and save files to at least one backup location. Now open settings and locate the developer or beta toggle, enable it, and accept the required agreement. You should see an activation notice. If you receive prompts, read them quickly but carefully. Then proceed to the next step, to initialize the early access build. Once enabled, download the early access build and verify the version number and package size before you run anything. You will follow a staged installer. Choose the components you need, set the storage path, and decide on optional modules. Keep installations minimal at first. After installation, run the integrity check using checksums or the built-in verifier. This confirms no files were corrupted. If everything passes, launch the build in sandbox or test mode, so you can observe behavior without you finish by completing post-install steps. Sign in, sync your settings, and enable telemetry only if you agree. This helps developers diagnose issues. Then test 5 core workflows that you use most. Measure responsiveness and stability during each run. If problems appear, collect logs and screenshots, restore your backup to return to a stable state, and prepare a concise bug report with reproduction steps, environment details, and timestamps. This single troubleshooting path will get issues resolved faster and keep your data safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.